Hi everyone! In this video, I will walk you through the level I designed for my midterm for my Level Design Studio class. The assignment is to design a level based on an architecture in real life. I picked the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. The design is inspired by my visit to the museum a few weeks back, which I found myself wasting a lot of time reading the map and trying to figure out where I was. I decided to capture that confusing and chaotic experience in this level. The goal of the player is to find their friend in the museum with the help of text messages from H, where you can see at the bottom of the screen. First, they ask you to meet them by the info desk. Alright, let's head into the space. Right through the entrance, you can see a giant skeleton structure of a dinosaur, and the skeleton acts as a landmark or reference point for the players to help them orient themselves in the space. And it is also just a cool skeleton I saw in the original museum that I thought it would be cool to incorporate into the space. If you look around the space, you can see the info desk that we're supposed to meet H at. And if you walk towards it, you notice that H has already went into the exhibition halls. But this info desk first can give players a tutorial as to how the level works, and also gives them more information as to where everything is, and just a general introduction of the space. And here they know that, okay, there are 2 levels in this building, and level 1, there are 2 halls, the forest and the marine animals. And the second floor, you can see there's space hall and the gift shop. Then there are also signs telling the players where to go. And first, you see from the text, H is telling you that they are now somewhere they can see trees and a bear hunting for fish. So according to the information given, somewhere with trees and a bear hunting, that will probably be the forest. So let's head over to the forest. I put signs around each exhibition hall so that players would immediately know which exhibition hall they're in. Trees and different images of animals. So our goal is to find the image of a bear hunting for fish. And finally, in this corner, they'll spot that right image, and when they walk close enough, they get a new text message from H that says they already moved on. And now there's a second puzzle where H is somewhere near a shark, and we know that a shark can be found in the marine animals section. I added. Okay, let's take a look at this hallway. I originally designed the space so that the lobby directly connects with the exhibition halls, but I later added a hallway in between them because I thought it adds more complexity to the space, and it gives players more choices when moving around the space. But in some situations, say here, when you're standing at this intersection, you have so many different choices that it also adds a sense of confusion for the player. Alright, so let's head over to the Marine Animals Hall. See the signs, it says go straight. And here we are at the Marine Animals Hall, and you can see different kind of animals exhibited here. Whale, crow, and here's a shark. And when you walk over to the shark, you get another text message saying that H has yet again moved on to the restroom, and they ask you to come over. And you probably noticed from the previous signs that the restroom is on the left of the Marine Hall. And when you head out here, you can see the sign and the giant line over here. And when you reach the restroom, you get another text saying H decided to head up to the gift shop. And this sign tells you that the space hall and the gift shop are both on level 2. So the reason I hide the staircase all the way in the back instead of using the grand staircase you normally see in the museum lobby is because the grand staircase only leads to a small part of the museum, and the rest of the museum can only be accessed through either elevators that are super slow or staircases like this that are hidden in corners and are so easy to miss. And I thought that would be an interesting element to be incorporated into the game. And here you see the space hall. And I added this viewing platform to make it more fun to navigate in the space. And you get another text from H that says, "You're never going to show up, are you?" They're like starting to getting impatient and like blaming you for not showing up. And if you move past the hall, you see the museum shop and this giant sheet of glass here. And when you reach the counter, you receive a final text from H that says you're leaving the museum. And this is the end of the level. One thing to notice here is I make this side of the wall transparent, made of glass, is because I want to give them a view of the skeleton from a different angle, which helps them see the progress they've made since the beginning, where they started from. And also it's just another view of the dinosaur that act as like a surprise at the end. And yeah, that is the level. Thanks for watching.